Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear leveling leg on your washer. The reason why I might have to do this is because it's lost or damaged, or because it's sitting off of balance, causing your washer to shake excessively while being used. For this repair, I'll be using a pair of channel locks, a pair of pliers, a punch, and a hammer. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. Now we're going to grab a pair of channel locks, and we're going to remove the water hoses. Make sure before removing the water hoses that you do turn off the water, and when you take the water hoses off, just keep in mind there might be some water still in the lines. So now we're going to remove our drain hose. We're just going to use a pair of pliers, pinch that clamp in, move it up, and pull the drain hose off. Keep in mind there still might be some water in there, so keep a towel or something handy nearby, or a bucket to drain that into. So these are our rear level legs right here. As you can see, they're held in by a pin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a block of wood, tilt the washer up, slide that block of wood underneath just to hold this up. Now to get these pins out, I've got myself a little punch here, and we're just going to hammer these pins out. Once the pin's out, the leg will fall right off. There we go. There we go. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement rear level leg. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So to replace the leg, all we're going to do is match it up with the little hole right here. There's a slot on the end. And then we can stick this pin right through. And we can use our hammer to get it in. We're just going to get it in so that it's right through these grooves here. That pin is in there pretty tight. So we'll go into the next one. Again, we're just going to match up this hole, slide the leg up. So now we've got the holes lined up. Let's stick this pin in. We'll hammer it in the rest of the way. There you go. Now, take this off the block of wood. Turn it back around. We're going to put our drain hose back on. And to do that, we're simply going to squeeze the clamp, move it up a bit. We're going to attach this back to the connection here. And once that's pushed all the way down, we'll get our pliers again. Grab that clamp and wiggle it down. And now we've got a nice secure connection. And now we're going to screw our water hoses back on. Make sure you've got your hot going to your hot, your cold going to your cold. On this model, it's labeled C and H. Once you got that screwed on nice and tight, grab your channel locks and tighten it the rest of the way. And we'll do the same thing for the other one. And then we can turn our washer back around, hook everything back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.